OCGN Stock Analysis, super interesting. Is this thing really a buy right now? Let's talk about it. I mean, with OCGN, all I'm going to say is that 4.5% up, and all I'm particularly like looking to do is not randomly buy or anything, but look at my chart. Look at this. It's all over the place, and I kind of ignored it, you know, to be very frank, because when it's this choppy, there's no reason to get involved. Look, I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and documented them all. And still, ultimately speaking, this is only going to be like something bullish in my mind and head from, again, 40,000 videos of freaking data that I've collected, is if I see full candle closes above 80 cents, right? And if not, it's all good. I'm not going to sit here and just trying to, you know, complain or anything. No, whatsoever. But it's still, like, again, one heck of a bearish market. If there is a second break beneath these lows, it's one heck of a sell. So I'm waiting to make some money. But if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.